this is the catalyst. So it has been a long like ngakayendi my video yabona. There is someone who's on WhatsApp yesterday like acela my video. So like guys, I still having a problem with keyboard, you know? So but yeah, I'm playing the song Ungukuphila by Xoli Mncwango. So I started playing, let me put my beat here. The intro, like that is one. So we're gonna do like 2, 3, 2. I mean, okay. Let me stop the beat here. It's 2, 3, 4, 2. I mean 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. That is a full chord of 1. Like. So this thing, this one is more like my grace notes. If you maybe sometimes you're gonna say 2. So it's gonna be because there are those labanga. That is why I'm not teaching like best. I'm normally teaching my beginners, most of normal. So like because I'm trying to teach my beginners. So it's 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this one, low one so that means because I'm using A flat, 1, 5, 1. Therefore this side ngabamba 2, 3, 5, 1. This chord ibitwa A flat measure. A flat measure 9, because this one is 9. I just added this one, so it's A flat measure 9. Therefore, if so, therefore I do. The right time it's 45, 4, and then it's gonna be 6, 6, 7, 6. Therefore, I'm gonna say 2, 3. While ngaling bambili kulala manye ma fingers. So here I have said okay, after I use this passing chord. Therefore, this passing chord is 2, 3, 4. Just you flow from your 1, 7, 6. Therefore, on your left hand side to bamba 4. Either ungambamba so, because if umbamba so, it's gonna be. Therefore. Zagum 5. Therefore, it's gonna be 4. This side is sharp 6. Like I'm playing bam 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 4. Therefore, on my right hand side, it's sharp 6. That moment it's sharp 6. This side it's more like 6, 6, 2, 5. Okay, it's gonna be 4. This and this one. Therefore, sharp 6. The moment in sharp 6, here ngitala ku 5. That is 6. Yes, that is 5. That passing chord, same passing chord. Manje ngishaya ku high note ngilebe ngishala, but manje ngishaya high note. Yabona, more like kalabeli bazi passing chord. That passing chord I say ngibambe 5 2 any key, but ngize ngathi singibambe A na what A flat na what ngendlela lokuthi ube aware even if you are playing ngalenye key, yabona. That is why ngithi 5, you know your 5 2 4. This side ngabamba 6 sharp 6 2 na 4. So kalabe libanzi 4. You see, it's more like kalabe libanzi ngomoshe wezulu. You see, like this part is this side ngibamba lo 1, this side ngiyotsi 4, like if 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 4 3 2 5 4 3 2 5. This side is 1 7 is 1 5 4 1. You see, 1 5 4 1. Ungukuphila. Then there is a bridge. Therefore, we're going to do this one. Udlala 2 6 1. The passing chord to get 5. The aim is to come here with D. That is your sharp 4 or flat 5. So, oro, like. You see, the aim is to come here. Nakube ngalo bambele le chord. That is the passing chord to get ku 5. Okay, this is 5 5 1 is 5 1 2 3 5 1 4 3 4 3. Okay, unjalo, unjalo. That is 5. Like 4 F 3. Then baraba 5. Maybe unjalo. Passing chords. That's the whole song, like. So I know, like, you used to comment, you used to text me via WhatsApp. So if like you need it, like, is special, like personal, cause like I'm trying to do ingoma yema beginners, like I'm trying to play chords for beginners, not for intermediate and whatsoever. So yeah, so I know there are those labangeke babone kahle, but may you please inbox me via WhatsApp, inbox me even like via comments on YouTube. Thank you guys, like have a nice day. Sharp sharp.